Hey everyone, today I'm holding something I never thought I would touch in my entire photography journey. This is the Sigma Art 135mm F1.4 DG 025 edition for Sony E-mount. Not F1.8, not F2, but if F1.4. Literally madness. When you see an engraving like Edition 025, you already know this is not your normal lens. This is like finding a supercar hidden in a small garage. I didn't expect this. I wasn't looking for it. But suddenly, boom. This gray box appeared, and when I saw the specs, it's 135mm f1.4. I was like, this can't be real, but it's real, and it's in my hands right now. Look at this beast. The filter size is 105mm. That alone tells you everything. This lens was not made for a normal people. The weight, the size, the presence, this thing literally looks like a mini cinema prime. Sigma definitely created this as a special edition, maybe even prototype, something not everyone will ever see. What makes this lens insane? At 135mm with f1.4, your background melt level is on different planet. This is not bokeh, this is not creamy, this is a obliterate everything behind you subject level. You shoot one portrait with this lens and people will think you use a medium format camera. Let's try it. I'm using my Sony A7R III because the resolution and the dynamic range match perfectly with a crazy lens like this. Look at the separation, the sharpness. I don't even need to zoom it. I can feel how sharp this lens. This Sigma Art 135mm F1.4 025 edition is honestly one of the rarest, craziest lenses I've ever touched. And I still can't believe I'm holding it right now. If you ever find one of these, don't think just grab it. Because lenses like this, they disappear. This vlog is once in a lifetime. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment if you want a full shoot out of this lens versus the legendary Sigma 135 f1.8 Art. See you on the next vlog.